How to convert videos to MP3 audio. Hi, I'm Ellen Santos, a JMV technology support expert. Today, I'll show you how to convert videos to MP3 audio. There are various ways to convert videos, both free and paid. Today, I'll show you how to do this for free using CloudConvert. Go to cloudconvert.com, click Select File and choose your video. You can select multiple files at once by clicking this button. Choose MP3 format and click Convert. This bar shows the conversion progress. When done, a window will open with an audio preview. Click this button to download the file. These MP3s can be used for your online radio, for example. JMV Technology offers audio streaming with a manageable site, live broadcasts, and more. Scan the QR code to see our audio streaming plans with exclusive features. If you like this video, please like, share, and follow us for more content.